And so when the Judicial Conference was looking at access to federal case files, they said, Social Security disability files as a class, there's no interest in making them available for remote access. And that's just a judgment that was made about a particular file. I think that, again, coming back to why I think the courts ought to be taking a look at these issues, there's a major shift going on. The old world was the custodian of the record. The court was just a passive custodian. The new world is the court is a disseminator, some would say a publisher of these files. Is it going to publish only the work product of the court, or is it going to publish the raw material of the decision-making process too? I think by and large the answer is it will publish everything, it will disseminate everything, but in these limited classes of cases where someone has to make a judgment up front, that judgment will be made, and in limited classes of cases, you won't see everything on the internet.